What is the solution set for x squared plus 4 equals 6x? In other words, solve this equation for x. So copy the equation down and space it out a little bit. Put a little space between here. Okay, I'll show you why. We want to get rid of the 6x from here and here. Here we're getting a 0 on the right side. On the left side I have x squared minus 6x plus 4 is 0. Okay? Now we're going to use the quadratic formula to solve this. Where a is 1, see there's a 1x squared, isn't there? B is this number here, and C is this number here. And there's my quadratic formula. We have the opposite of b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Okay, now we're going to substitute this number in for b. So we're going to put negative 6 right there. In place of b, we write negative 6, put it here, and put him here. Okay? A is 1 because the number in front of x squared is a 1. You have 1x squared. So in place of a, put a 1 here and down here. And c, that's the last number there, is 4. So I'm going to have the opposite of a minus 6. A negative 6 times a negative 6 turns out to be a plus 36. 4 times 1 and 4 times 4. See, we're going back here. 4 times 1 is 4 times 4. So we have 4 times 4, which is 16. And then we'll do our 2 times our 1. Okay. 36 minus 16 is 20. And 20 is 4 times 5, isn't it? The perfect square that goes in 20 is a 4. So 4 times 5 is 20. Break this up into two radicals. Okay, the square root of 4 is what? 2. So I keep the 5, keep the 6, keep the 2, but this goes down to a 2. Then we can factor a 2 out of both of these, can't we? Factor a 2 out. 2 times 3 is 6, and the 2 comes out of here. So I'm left with 3 plus or minus. The 2 comes out. Here's your 2. Okay? And then this 2 and these two 2's cancel, don't they? So you're left with 3 plus or minus the square root of 5.